Welcome to Batman's Nature Minute with your host, me, Batman. Apparently I've been causing too much property damage around Gotham City. And to service community service, I have to do these nature documentaries. Because apparently fighting crime is not good enough for you, Gotham. Today, we're gonna learn about bats because I'm Batman. Bats are one of the sole pollinators of the agave plant. Who cares, you might say? Well, I care, and so should you. Because the agave plant is what is used to make tequila. So, whether you're a billionaire, philanthropist who likes to get wasted, or whether you're a schoolgirl in college trying to fit in your first month, you have bats to thank for those epic nights. Alfred, bring me a shot of tequila. Thank you, Alfred, and thank you, bats. This has been Batman's Nature Minute.